Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're doing a video on this Marzocco Linea Mini, and we are showing what to do if the red light keeps flashing and it just doesn't go away and the machine doesn't get hot. So what you need to do is first take off this cover, and then you remove the screws from the top, the Phillips screws, and then you pull this cover off here like this, and then in here you see this red reset switch, and you just press it, and now the machine will start heating like it's supposed to, and the red light will eventually go away. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.